In the Superior Court of California, County of Los Angeles, Department 104, the people of the State of California versus Eric Ronald Holder, Jr., case number BA 475908. We, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Eric Ronald Holder, Jr., guilty of the crime of first-degree murder of Ermias Asghedom in violation of Penal Code Section 187, subsection A, of felony, as charged in count 1 of the indictment.
35 years.
Yeah.
Last week was Mine's 90 years.
Never happens.
Well, not even Van Cleef and Arpels in Beverly Hills. Held 4 people hostage, murdered 1 person.
My name is John McKinney. I'm a Deputy District Attorney, and I want to say on behalf of the District Attorney's Office that we are both proud, and I am personally a little relieved that the verdict came in a complete, absolute agreement with the charges that Eric Holder murdered Ermias Asghedom in cold blood. The jury convicted Mr. Holder of first-degree murder. They found true a special allegation that he used a firearm. The charge and the firearm allegation carry 25 years to life sentences. So we expect that with that count alone, and certainly the additional counts that he was found guilty of, he will be held accountable for that killing. Today was more than just about the right verdict or the right outcome for this trial. Today was really about Nipsey Hussle and the legacy that he leaves behind. This verdict and the story of his life will be talked about for sure at Crenshaw and Slauson, but the meaning of it will carry far beyond those streets. And the legacy of Nipsey Hussle and the arc of his life, which started off in a shadowy place, ended up in a very positive place for him and for those that he inspired through the way that he lived his life, especially in his latter years. So as a community, we move forward from this. We move forward in the tradition of the marathon. We move forward in the tradition of young people who are in a situation that Nipsey might have been in 15 years ago can look to his life as an example of how they can get out of that situation and get to a place where dreams are made.
You've got 25 to life on this gentleman right now, but you also had 2 men who were also hit by gunfire. There were gun enhancements on them. What do you plan to hopefully ask for in the way of a sentence all-encompassing on this? Are we going to see consecutive or concurrent sentences? How's that going to work out?
Well, there's a lot of time on the table. We're certainly happy with the verdicts on the first-degree murder charge and the gun allegation on that. The judge has a lot of options, and we have not presented the court with a sentencing memorandum yet, but I do expect to ask for more time than just what is available on count 1.
When do you have an indication where we'll have a sentencing hearing on this? Any idea?
The sentencing has been set for September 15th.
Well, he had such a big impact on a lot of people. You know, he was such a positive person, you know, considering where we came from. You know, we started off, you know, gangbangers. We started off, but we changed, and we made a movement. You know, if we could do it, gangbangers on the corner, then anybody can do it. You know, he was the people's champ. You know, he was the underdog that made it. You know?
Does this outcome kickstart any type of healing or closure?
It's closure. I still need to know why, but it's closure, but it's not, for me, it's still no closure. I still need to know why. I don't know if I will ever get that answer out of, you know, just why, you know, you just hated him that much. Was it envy? What was it? Just why? I know it wasn't the conversation, so I need to know why.